Today we begin a weekly series introducing you to a single microorganism, not to overwhelm you with facts. Instead, we want you to enjoy a few minutes showcasing the incredible beauty and diversity living in our ponds and oceans. Bryozoans are microscopic animals that can live in colonies containing millions of individuals. Their tentacles create currents that bring them food. In this series, we look closely at the most beautiful living things too small to see. Check out the pinned comment to learn more about the subject of today's portrait, and join us for another portrait next week.